Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make calcium carbide at home. Do not attempt this at home. It is extremely dangerous and can cause explosions, fires, and severe injury. This short segment explains the major risks, why industrial settings control every variable, and why curious learners should choose safer, legal alternatives. I want you to stay safe, informed, and out of harm's way while still satisfying scientific curiosity. In this video, I will explain how to make calcium carbide at home. Focus on hazards. Acetylene gas is highly flammable, and uncontrolled reactions can explode or ignite nearby materials. Handling reactive solids without proper PPE and ventilation can cause severe burns and respiratory damage. Emergency response in a lab is not the same as at home, so understanding these risks helps you make safer choices and avoid life-changing accidents. In this video, I will explain how to make calcium carbide at home. Quick recommendation: while you should never handle dangerous DIY reactions at home, you will need reliable storage for safe lab snacks and gear, so consider leak-proof containers that keep things tidy and spill-free. They make cleanups easier and keep your workspace safer, plus they're great for field trips. If interested, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make calcium carbide at home. Instead of attempting hazardous synthesis, pursue safe alternatives like guided lab courses, supervised demos, or household chemistry that teaches core principles. Visit a community lab or university outreach program to see industrial equipment in controlled conditions. These options let you learn chemistry techniques, understand risks, and gain real skills without endangering yourself or others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.